Hi guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to make a banana trifle. Firstly, add 2 packets of banana jelly to 800 ml of boiled water. Mix it well. Now chop up 2 small bananas. Add the bananas to the trifle bowl. Then pour the banana jelly on top and leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Once the jelly has set, add the cake on top. Then add 3 to 4 tins of custard depending on the size of your bowl. Spread the custard out to cover the cake. Add whipped cream. Chop up 2 more small bananas and use them to decorate the top of your trifle. And you can also add sprinkles. I really hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching. I upload every week, so please subscribe for more. Bye!